Welcome to the magical Niagara Falls, a natural wonder of the world. The falls are located on the Niagara River, on the border between the United States and Canada. It is one of the most visited tourist destinations in North America, attracting millions of visitors every year. Visitors can experience the beauty of the falls from various viewpoints. One of the most popular ways to experience Niagara Falls is from the observation deck, where you can get up close to the falls and feel the mist on your face. Another way to experience the falls is by taking a boat ride on the Maid of the Mist. This boat takes you right up to the base of the falls, giving you an unforgettable experience. The falls are just as beautiful at night as they are during the day. With colorful lights illuminating the cascading water, it is a sight that should not be missed. Niagara Falls State Park is the oldest state park in the United States, and it offers a variety of activities for visitors. From hiking and biking to fishing and camping, there is something for everyone. Even during the winter months, the falls are a sight to see. The frozen falls create a magical winter wonderland that is truly breathtaking. While the American side of Niagara Falls is beautiful, the Canadian side is just as impressive. From the Canadian side, visitors can get a panoramic view of the falls and experience the beauty from a different perspective. Niagara Falls is not only beautiful but also powerful. The force of the water cascading over the falls is truly awe-inspiring. Niagara Falls is a magical place that should be on everyone's bucket list. Whether you visit during the summer or winter, day or night, from the American or Canadian side, the beauty and power of Niagara Falls will leave you speechless.